And recently, when I was doing a training, there was this fascinating concept called neuroception. Basically, how our brains, on a subconscious level, tells us whether a situation or a person is safe, or on the flip side of the coin, whether or not it's dangerous. It's like our built-in security system, and it's always scanning and assessing. And if you're someone who's wired differently like me, you might find that your neuroception is a bit heightened. Sometimes it's like, okay, brain, please don't be so helpful because it wants to go danger, danger, and keep me protected.